So one thing I would like to share with you, that when I started this chapter, this drama, I already told you that it is just an extract from a play of J.B. Shaw. So this is only one act. This is one act play here that is presented before you for class 8. And there are limited characters. Those are visible in this chapter. This is a romantic play of J.B. Shaw with the background of warfare. But the playwright, that means the dramatist, he has not presented any kind of brutality or any kind of violent actions in the play. But the plot is warfare. And the dialogues, the characters, those are circulating. That means to each other. Those are connected to each other as if conversation is going on. But outside, it is the scenario, the outside scenario, that is warfare. And that is the chief feature or characteristic of J.B. Shaw's play, this one, Arms and the Man. It is, you can say, a romantic play of J.B. Shaw. There ahead in the original drama, ahead there are many characters. Couples are there, lovers are there, Major Petkoff is also there, Catherine Petkoff's husband, that means Raina's father, is also there. And the original name of this fugitive is Bluntschli. Sergius is also there, and Sergius, here is no dialogue of Sergius, only name is mentioned. So this much in your lesson or in your chapter. And here we can say that in your chapter, chapter number 13, in this act, the act ends with mercy, compassion, and simultaneously feminism. Now question arises, the play ends with mercy, compassion, and feminism. What kind of mercy or compassion? It is visible in the play. Mercy and compassion of Raina. Here we can see in the play, Raina is the main character. And the entire story or the drama, Raina itself regulates it. The heroine herself regulates. So, Raina, she is merciful because she has given shelter to the fugitive. In spite of that, she knows that he is an enemy. He is a Serbian officer. He is not a Bulgarian soldier. In spite of that, she has given shelter. And she did not disclose his name before the Russian officer. Instead, she told the fugitive to hide behind the curtain. She saved him. So, mercy and compassion, kindness, feelings, and overall feminism. Feminism, it is the chief feature which the playwright has projected through the character of Raina. Feminism means she is a lady, a woman. Womanhood, it is visible. It has been emphasized through the character of Raina. So guys, this much for the day. And these two questions you have to solve yourself, question number 7 and question 9. And apart from these answers, the question, whatever the questions I have discussed, you have noted down the answer, including the extract. One more question you note down. You write question 1, that is on behalf of me. You write question 1, portrait the character of Raina Petkov. Portrait the character of Raina Petkov in the play The Chocolate Cream Soldier. Portrait the character of Raina Petkov in the play The Chocolate Cream Soldier within bracket 100 to 150 words. So students, this much for the day. Next day, once again, I'm going to meet you. Till then, take care of yourself. Stay home, stay safe. God bless you. Bye-bye.